Welcome to Vansdirect. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Renault Master Advance. Starting at the front of the vehicle, you can see the large halogen headlights with daytime running lights. We've got a low-level black bumper for all low-level scuffs and scrapes. The striking Renault grille with the badge just on the front there, and what you'll also notice is two steps located either side for changing wipers or cleaning the windscreen. Moving around to the side, we've got the 15-inch steel wheels with hubcap and economical Bridgestone tyres. Moving upwards, we've got large wing mirrors with indicator. On the passenger side of the Master, just as you open the door, we've got the fuel cap, and on the complete opposite side of the vehicle, just next to the driver's door, you've got the AdBlue filling point too. Moving along the side of the vehicle, we've got a very large and easy accessible side loading door. This opens up into the cargo space, which locates 2.7 meters of length between the bulkhead and the back doors. At the rear of the Master, we've got the low-level black plastic bumper with reverse sensors. Moving upwards, we've got large rear lights for braking indication. We've got 50/50 opening barn doors at the rear, creating a really large space for you to load into the loading area. One really good feature with these doors is the easiness to make them 180-degree opening. Simply just move the latch here and lock them into place. This just gives you that extra little bit of space for anything large that you need to load into the vehicle. As you can see, the head height in the loading compartment is really high. You've got a large area between the roof and the floor to load things through the doors. And as you can see, it's just over 1.8 meters in height, leaving you lots of room to get things in. It's very adaptable and highly practical. Inside the Renault Master, we've got a lot of room, a lot of head height as well. Dual passenger bench seat with single driver's seat fitted with armrests, so plenty of comfort, plenty of room for 3 fully grown adults inside. We've got plenty of storage space just above us as well in the overhead racks, as well as storage space on the dashboard and in the locker as well. The Renault Master Advance comes with a range of features to keep your driving experience comfortable, starting with Bluetooth, MP3 player. On the left hand side you've got aux connectivity, and on the right hand side USB connectivity too. It's also got manual air conditioning as well to keep you cool on a hot summer's day, as well as steering wheel controls to the right hand side so that you can easily manoeuvre through radio stations and volume whilst driving the vehicle. Another useful feature on the Master Advance is the fact that it's got automatic lights and automatic wipers. The driver's seat comes equipped with a fully adjustable suspension system, reminiscent of those kind of seats you'd see in lorries or buses, contributing to a very comfortable driving experience. 3 things that we love about the Renault Master include its sheer size, providing endless capabilities for its use as a commercial vehicle, the fully adjustable suspension driver's seat, and the wide-angle mirror inside too. That's it for the Renault Master Advance. For more information on any other vehicles in the Renault range, log on to vansdirect.co.uk.